Hello everyone. In our last video, we saw what is an exponent. We saw how to get the value of exponent. We also saw how to represent a number in its exponent form. Now it's time to do operations on exponent. And for doing the operations on exponent, we have some rules. In this video, we will see the like base rules of exponents. Like base means where the base of two exponents on which we are doing operation is same. For example, we have an exponent a raised to 2 and we have exponent a raised to 3. If you see here, the base of the exponents is same. The power is different, but the base is same. So in such cases, how do we multiply these exponents, or how do we divide these exponents? This is what we are going to look at in this video. Let's take one example. I want to do a raised to 2 multiplied by a raised to 3. Now how do we represent a raised to 2? We represent it as a into a multiplied with itself 2 times. And how do we represent a raised to 3? We represent it as a into a into a multiplied with itself 3 times, power times. Power is 3, so 3 times. Now when we want to have a multiplication between them, what we get is a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a. So a is multiplied 5 times with itself, and that indicates it is a raised to 5. So what we did, please see here, a raised to 2, we have written it here, a raised to 2. We had a raised to 3, we wrote it here, a raised to 3. Now when we want to multiply them, this is a multiplication sign. Now we find that it is actually combined 5 times a multiplied with itself, and hence we get answer a raised to 5. We can do that with any number of examples. Let's say a raised to 3 multiplied by a raised to 7. So it will be a into a into a raised to 3 and a raised to 7, and we have multiplying them. Now how many times a we have? We have 10 times a. That means this is a raised to 10. So how are we getting this 10? These are 3 times here and 7 times here. So 3 and 7. So a raised to 10, we are getting it as a raised to 3 plus 7. The power of the first one is 3, so we have 3 times a here. The power of the second one is 7, so we have 7 times. And total is 3 plus 7. So we add the power 3 plus 7 and we get 10. And that gives us our first like base rule. That is a raised to m into a raised to n. We know m and n are integers and a is non-zero integer, is equal to a raised to m plus n, sum of the powers. When we multiply two exponents having same base, their multiplication is equal to base remains same and the power gets added. That is our first like base rule. And on the similar lines, we have the second rule. So if I have a raised to 5 divided by a raised to 3. How will I write? I can write this as a raised to 5 divided by a raised to 3. And that would be a into a 5 times divided by 3 times a into a into a. And now if you see, I can cancel them out. These 3 a's, I can cancel them out with these 3. So how many remaining? 2. So the answer is a raised to 2. Again, if you see here what I have done, a raised to 5, we have written it here. Then we have written divided by a raised to 3. And from these 5 a's, we have cut the 3 a's. We have subtracted 3 a's because they are common down. And what we remaining is 2 a's, a square. So the second rule says a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. This is a new type of operations you are performing. It will take some time for students to get used to them. So the only way students can remember this is by using them frequently. So by practicing. Let's do a few practice sums. Let's solve this. B raised to 2 multiplied by B raised to 1. So using the rule, if you see the base is same. So if the base is same and those exponents are multiplied, then in answer the base remains same. So the answer's base also will be B. Now what is answer's power? If it is multiplication, the power gets added. So it will become 2 plus 1. And that is B raised to 3. Here we have exponents, we have multiplication, and we have same base. If we have same base, in the answer the base remains same. So it is going to be A. Because it is multiplication, the powers they get added. So it will be 3 plus 7 plus 2. And that will become A raised to 12. Now in this case we have division. Okay. Also base is same. So the answer base is going to be same, B. Because it is division, the powers get subtracted. So 5 minus 2. And that will become B raised to 3. Now let's solve here. Here we have multiplication. So let's first do the multiplication. Base is same. So base in the answer will remain same. And powers will get added because it is multiplication. So 5 plus 3 upon A raised to 6. So that will be A raised to 8 divided by A raised to 6. Now it is divided by base same again. Base same means answer's base remains A. Divided by means the powers get subtracted. 8 minus 6. And that gives us A raised to 2. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.